Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can recover permanently the deleted files on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, the first thing we need to do is to check first the recycle bin. Always check the recycle bin first if a file was recently deleted. And if it's not there, then it might be permanently deleted. So in that case, you'll need to download a recovery software, and please do finish the video till the very end so that you will be guided on how you can do it in your device. So please open first the browser that you have, either Edge or Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So once you have already opened a browser, you need to click on or type Trikuva free download. So you will get an option for free download or professional download. So just choose the free download to try it first. And then once you have already downloaded it, all you need to do is just to extract and install the software. So let's just wait for the downloading process to be finished. Now, since my internet connection, I am connected with the public Wi-Fi, that's why, or public network, that's why it's taking a lot of time to download the file or the software. So just please bear with me. And if in your case it download easily, the download did not take much time, then you can just proceed with the extracting and installing the software. So you can also give administrative permission when you are prompted. And all you need to do is just to choose file types to recover, such as documents, photos, and etc. So select the folder or drive where the files were deleted. And this is an optional step. You can enable deep scan for better results. So let's just wait for the downloading process to be done. By the way, if you have already installed this software, all you need to do is just to run the scan. Now, once the scan has begun, it may take some time depending on the disk size, but once completed, a list of recoverable files will appear, and the files that are marked in green are easily recoverable. So, preview, you can also switch to preview mode to see images or file content. Then once you have determined the file that you want to recover, then you can now select it and choose the location where you would like to save the recovered files. But just please don't save it into the same drive where you have lost it. And after you have chosen it, you can navigate through the folders like documents or pictures. And if you have remembered the name or directory, then you can also use the search option there. And then once you have found it, just click on next and then finish the recovery. Okay, so that's how you recover permanently deleted files in Windows 10. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials like this. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.